Hepatic encephalopathy. What is hepatic encephalopathy? It is a neuropsychiatric syndrome caused by liver disease. As encephalopathy progresses, confusion is followed by coma. Management of hepatic encephalopathy. The symptoms are alteration of sleep pattern, then changes of intellect, personality, emotion, and consciousness. Apathy may occur, and there may be inability to concentrate. Confusion, disorientation, drowsiness may occur, and slurring of speech, and eventually coma develop. Convulsion sometimes occur. The signs are flapping, tremor, which is called asterixis, hyperreflexia or bilateral extensor plantar responses may occur. Fetor hepaticus may occur, which means a sweet, musty odor to the breath is found. The patient may be unable. The patient may have inability to perform simple mental arithmetic tasks or draw objects such as a star, which is called constructional apraxia. Chronic hepatic encephalopathy or hepatocerebral degeneration gives rise to variable combination of cerebral dysfunction, Parkinsonian syndromes, spastic paraplegia, and dementia. What are the differential diagnosis of hepatic encephalopathy? They are intracranial bleeding, which may be subdural hematoma or extradural hematoma, then drug or alcohol intoxication, delirium tremens or alcohol withdrawal is another differential diagnosis. Then Wernicke's encephalopathy, primary psychiatric disorders, hypoglycemia, neurological like Wilson's disease, and post-ictal state can also be differential diagnosis. The investigations are the diagnosis can usually be made clinically, but EEG or electroencephalogram shows diffuse slowing of the normal alpha wave with eventual development of delta waves. The arterial ammonia is usually increased but has little or no diagnostic value. Treatment. Hepatic encephalopathy is a medical emergency, so emergency management, assessment, and investigations should be considered side by side. The patient should be treated a high dependency unit or in a ICU. Treatment or removal of precipitating causes are done. Suppression of production of neurotoxins by bacteria in the bowel is done, which is lactulose by NG tube is given 15 to 30 ml 8 hourly. Neomycin by NG tube 1 to 4 gram 4 to 6 hourly is given. Then dietary protein restriction is rarely needed. Fluid and electrolyte balance is done. Broad spectrum antibiotics such as gentamicin, ampicillin, metronidazole, cloxacillin is given. Sedative and diuretics are avoided. Then continuous monitoring of the patient is done. Specific treatment of liver failure is done such as liver transplantation. Chronic or refractory hepatic encephalopathy is one of the main indications for liver transplantation. What are the precipitating factors of hepatic encephalopathy? They are constipation, drugs, especially sedatives or antidepressant, dehydration, including diuretics or paracentesis, and hypokalemia, infection, portosystemic shunting, and protein load, including gastrointestinal bleeding.